Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to log into your Gateway Mortgage account online. If you want to log in and sign into your Gateway Mortgage account and manage it from your computer or your mobile devices, then the process is quite easy, so make sure you follow the steps until the very end. So the first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser of your choice. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in the URL gatewayfirst.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now this will take you to the official website for Gateway Banking and Mortgage. Once you get to this official page, click on login at the top right hand corner, which will then bring you up this pop-up where you'll need to select mortgage account option from the drop down. If you don't have an online account yet for Gateway, you can simply click on Set up Online Account and follow through the registration process. Once you have an account, you can log into it anytime. Simply select the account type and click Login. Now, it'll redirect you to a new tab where you will need to enter your email address and your password for your Gateway Mortgage account. Enter your email address associated with your Gateway Mortgage account and type in your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen instruction. After filling in both of your credentials, click on Sign In, and this will then sign you into your Gateway Mortgage account online, quick and easy. So that was how you can easily log in to your Gateway Mortgage account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.